What do you have? You're trying to get it in your mouth. Yeah?
It's a book.
Oh, yeah, at the end of that book? Yeah, he has a bunch of different ones, doesn't he? Clifford does. You're right. You want to grab it? You want to hold it? There you go. You got it. Good job. Can you reach for it? Can you get it? Yay! You got it, sister. So that you could put it in your mouth. Doesn't that figure? Yeah, doesn't that figure?